Hello, in this video we're going to be combining ratios. So the objective here is to combine two ratios that share a common term into a single ratio. So here's an example. We have A to B is 2 to 3 and B to C is 4 to 5. We need to combine them to form the ratio A to B to C. So the first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to write out A to B to C. Then I'm going to write A to B underneath. So A to B is 2 to 3. So I'm going to put 2 to 3 underneath the A and the B. And then B to C is 4 to 5. So underneath that ratio, I'm going to put 4 to 5. At this point, you notice that both of them share a B. So we need a number that both 3 and 4 go into. So 3 and 4 both go into 12. So 12 is going to be our common multiple. Now to get from 4 to 12, I multiply by 3. So I'm going to multiply the 5 by 3 as well. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now to get from 3 to 12, I times by 4, so I'm going to do the same thing to the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So my answer, I end up with 8 to 12 to 15. Here's another example. I have P to Q is 5 to 2 and Q to R is 6 to 7. We need to find the ratio P to Q to R. So again, I'm going to write out P to Q to R. I'm going to put P to Q is 5 to 2, so that goes here. And Q to R is 6 to 7, so that goes underneath over here. So I need a number that both 2 and 6 go into. So 2 and 6 both go into 12, so I'm going to use 12. Now to get from 6 to 12, I times by 2. So 7 times 2, that's going to be 14. And to get from 2 to 12, I times by 6. So 5 times 6, that's going to be 30. So my answer is going to be 30 to 12 to 14. But I could simplify that by dividing through by 2. So if I divide everything by 2, I end up with 15, 6 and 7. So the reason why my answer wasn't fully simplified was because when I picked the common multiple of 2 and 6, I didn't pick the lowest common multiple. So if I'd have chosen 6, because 2 and 6 both go into 6, I would have got the answer simplified. But it doesn't matter because I just simplified my final answer. Here's another example. The ratio of apples to bananas is 3 to 4 and bananas to oranges is 6 to 5. We need to find the ratio of apples to bananas to oranges. So I'm going to write out A to B to O. So apples to bananas is 3 to 4. Bananas to oranges is 6 to 5. So I need a number that both 4 and 6 go into. So 4 and 6 both go into 12. So I'm going to have 12. Now to get from 6 to 12, I times by 2. So I'm going to do 5 times 2 to get 10. And to get from 4 to 12, I times by 3. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So my answer is 9 to 12 to 10. So here are some quickfire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!